Few men know that the way you drink water can have a big effect on your sexual health. Especially as you get older, many people don't realize how such a simple habit can directly affect their intimate performance and well-being. My name is Laura Marino, and I'm a urologist today. I want to talk to you about how drinking water the right way can make a big difference in how your penis works and your overall sexual life. As we get older, our bodies change, and it's important to know how small daily changes like drinking water correctly can improve your quality of life. These simple practices can help you reconnect with your body, promote continuous improvement, and enjoy a more satisfying, intimate life, all starting with a habit that is so simple and straightforward to achieve. Water is a normal part of life. But few men realize how much it directly affects the body's functioning, especially as we get older. Why hydration is key to sexual health. As a doctor, I've seen that staying hydrated does more than just quench your thirst. When you drink water properly, your whole body responds positively, from your energy to your ability to focus. But the most important effect is on blood circulation, which has a direct effect on male sexual health. The penis, like any other organ, needs adequate blood flow to work. Over time, this flow can become less effective, which is why water is so important. It maintains the health of the blood vessels, ensuring proper blood flow during intimate moments. Staying properly hydrated also affects hormones like testosterone, which is important for male performance and sexual desire. Staying hydrated is a simple but effective way to keep your penis and hormones working in a healthy and balanced way, which will naturally improve your intimate life. Many important functions of the body suffer from dehydration, which can directly impact your sexual life. Not drinking enough water can make you feel worn out and less willing to do things. Also, the buildup of toxins in the body from not drinking enough water can make you feel constantly tired, which can affect both your desire and your sexual performance. I penned a digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality After 60, to assist you in leading and the science behind water and performance more fulfilling sexual life. In it, you'll find useful tips to strengthen your relationship, deal with emotional and physical problems, and find effective ways to bring back the passion in your marriage. Click on the first pinned comment to get your copy. Don't miss this limited edition opportunity to transform your love and emotional life. Drinking water properly is important for staying healthy and having a healthy, intimate life. One important thing to remember is to pay attention to how you drink water. Many people drink quickly while standing, but this can be more harmful than helpful. The best way to drink is to sit down and slowly pour water into your mouth, letting your saliva mix with the water before you swallow. This helps your body digest food and absorb liquids better. Saliva, being alkaline, aids in regulating stomach acid levels, thereby benefiting the entire digestive system. This process also helps the body absorb nutrients that are necessary for proper functioning, including sexual health. So the next time you drink water, remember to do it mindfully and enjoy the benefits that this simple habit can bring. Many people believe that drinking cold water is the best way to cool off, especially on hot days. However, this is not entirely true. When you drink seawater, your body has to. Daily water needs for optimal health work harder to warm it up to the ideal temperature, a process that requires extra energy. This additional effort can slow down digestion and in some cases even impair blood circulation, which needs to function well for the body to remain efficient. For this reason, it is recommended to drink water at room temperature or slightly warm, as the body absorbs it more quickly and effectively, without overloading the digestive or circulatory systems. Maintaining proper blood flow is essential for the good functioning of the body, especially for male sexual health. Effective circulation guarantees the proper functioning of blood vessels, which directly influences sexual function. Therefore, maintaining proper hydration with water at the appropriate temperature can significantly enhance your performance and intimacy. Health. In addition, the amount of water you drink throughout the day is crucial. Ideally, you should consume between 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily, which equates to about 10 to 12 cups. Of course, this amount may vary depending on factors such as the climate, your weight, or whether you exercise regularly. If you work out frequently or live in a hot region, it's important to increase your water intake to compensate for fluid loss through sweat. How hydration boosts libido. Staying hydrated is essential for keeping your body temperature in check and making sure everything works right. Even during private moments, dehydration lowers blood volume in the body, making it more difficult for the penis to maintain an erection. In other words, drinking water regularly can help prevent this kind of problem. But it's not enough to just drink a lot of water. You need to do it the right way. It's not a good idea to drink a lot of water all at once because it can overload your kidneys and cause your body to quickly eliminate the excess water without reaping the full benefits. It's best to drink small amounts of water throughout the day so that your body can properly absorb it. Try drinking between 1 and 1/2 glasses of water at regular intervals so that your kidneys can process everything efficiently. This way you keep your blood circulation on track, making sure that all of your organs, including your penis, get the blood they need to work well. Staying hydrated in this simple way can make a big difference in your overall health and in your intimate life. The timing of your water intake is as important as the quantity. Many people drink a lot of water before bed, which can be a problem. If you do this, you may have trouble sleeping because you'll have to get up several times to go to the bathroom, which makes your kidneys work harder than they need to, preventing the body from fully benefiting from bonus tips for maximizing sexual health. The water. Another important thing to remember is that drinking water right after a meal can dilute your digestive juices, which can slow down digestion instead. Wait about 30 minutes after eating before drinking water. This will ensure proper digestion of the food and enhance your body's ability to absorb the nutrients. The color of your urine is an easy way to tell if you're getting enough water. If it's clear, your body has enough water. If it's getting darker, you need to drink more water. Staying hydrated is important for everything, including your sexual health. Staying hydrated balances your hormones and blood flow, preventing problems like erectile dysfunction and improving your overall life. Also, it's important to remember that you shouldn't drink water right after eating fruit. Some fruits like watermelon and bananas already have a lot of water in them, and drinking right after can overwork your digestive system. This is because your body requires more time to process the liquids from both the fruit and the water, which can slow down digestion and cause discomfort, such as bloating over time. Waiting 15 to 20 minutes after eating fruit before drinking water can prevent digestive issues, which are crucial for overall and sexual health. Common myths about water and sexual health. This ensures that the body processes the nutrients correctly without interfering with digestion. In conclusion, water isn't just for quenching thirst when consumed the right way. It plays a crucial role in balancing internal processes like blood circulation and hormone regulation. These factors are essential for maintaining good sexual health. So don't underestimate the importance of drinking water at the right time and in the right amount. Small practices like key takeaways, spacing out water consumption after eating fruit, can make a big difference in your overall well-being and intimate life, promoting a healthy balance throughout the body. If you found these tips helpful, remember to like the video. This helps our channel grow and allows more people to access this information. Also share it with your friends and family, because taking care of our health is something we should all do, and these insights, closing and call to action, could be valuable to those around you. If you want to keep following practical and easy to understand content about sexual health and well-being, subscribe to the channel here. You'll always find simple and effective information that can really make a difference in your life. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're updated on our next videos with the right tips. You can improve your health in a calm way. So like, share, and stay tuned for more content to help you live better.